Are you tired of spending hours trying to figure out your YouTube video titles, thumbnails, and video descriptions? In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use AI platforms like TurboScribe to turn our videos into text to help solve that problem. So if you're ready to see how AI can help you with your YouTube struggles in part 1 of this video series, let's get started. Alright, so here we are on TurboScribe's website, and TurboScribe is an AI platform that I like to use where I can upload a video or an audio file, and then it gives me a transcript. So as you can see, they have different pricing plans. They have $10 a month or $20 a month, but the nice thing about TurboScribe is they also have a free option. And so when you use a free account for TurboScribe, you can get 3 transcripts free daily. You don't have to pay for anything. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what the dashboard looks like inside of TurboScribe's platform. All right, so here we are inside of my TurboScribe dashboard. So I've logged in. So as you can see at the top here, this will say what your email is, and you can open your profile, so on and so forth. But this is the layout that it looks like when you've got all of your files you've loaded. So as you can see right here, recent files. It'll show you the name, it'll show you the date it was uploaded, it'll show you the duration of the video, and then these different modes that you use when you're loading a video into the actual transcription. So the first thing you do is you're going to go ahead and go to right here where it says Transcribe Files, and then when you click that, it'll pop up with a window just like this. And so this is where the mode that we saw, you can choose 3 different modes. You can use cheetah, dolphin, or whale. And so I'm going to hover over it so we can see that cheetah, it says it's TurboScribe's fastest transcription mode. It's tuned to generate transcripts as quickly as possible, but it might not be as accurate. And then if you go to whale, this is the highest accuracy, but it's also the slowest version. And so I like to use dolphin generally, and this is a good balance between accuracy and speed. And so once you do that, and you figure out which transcription mode you want to use, you can also choose the languages. So as you can see, there's lots of options. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it on English. And then right here, this is where you actually either drag and drop the file, or you can click Browse Files, and that will open up the window where you can select the file manually. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different formats you can use: MP3, MP4, so on and so forth. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says Browse Files. And as you can see, our box pops up. And so I'm going to go ahead and choose the video that I want to load. So I go ahead and click it and hit open. And now you can see that it says ChatGPT account setup, which is the video that we're going to use here for this video. And so now you can see it's going through the percentage of completion. And so now you've got the blue check mark right here that shows that the video has been uploaded. And so now I'm going to click right here where it says Transcribe. Alright, so now on the dashboard, right here where it says Status, you can see that we've got that blue circle and it's showing that it's loading. If I hover over that spinning circle, it says Transcribing now, and you can see that the percentage is going up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here where these 3 dots are, and when I click that, you can see that you have a few options. You've got Open Transcript, Export Transcript, Share Transcript. You can download the audio, rename the file, or delete the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says Export Transcript, and then when I do that, you can see now you can actually export it in various different file formats. What I generally like to do is just use a text file. So that's how I'm going to download it. But as you can see, you can download it as a PDF, a docx, so on and so forth. So now I'm going to go ahead and just download the text file, and then we'll move forward from there. And as you can see, the export has been completed. And so if you want to download it again, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and hit go back. And now you can see our dashboard shows our status with the green check mark, and it says transcript complete. So this is the actual text file that TurboScribe did complete. So as you can see, it does have a message here at the top. It says transcribed by TurboScribe, go unlimited to remove this message. So basically, if you do use the paid version of TurboScribe, you can remove the header that says that, as well as the footer at the bottom that says transcribed by TurboScribe, go unlimited to remove this message. But other than that, it's a pretty useful tool that gives us this transcription of the actual video. So what you'll notice is right here, for example, it says ChatGPT instead of ChatGPT. There are little differences like that, but what you will notice is that it is pretty accurate when you're looking at the transcript from the entire video. So again, once we transcribe the file and we do get that text file from the video, we're going to discuss how we use that to input into different versions of AI like ChatGPT or Claude. But for now, I just wanted to go over that specific process of how we use TurboScribe and how TurboScribe's AI does help us with transcribing a video. And so now in the dashboard, it saves everything and all the videos that you've used as files to transcribe the files. And as you can see up here on the left as well, it says 1 of 3 daily transcriptions used. So like I said, the free account only gives you 3 transcriptions per day. For my purposes, I don't need more than 3, but if you are going to do something where you need multiple transcriptions throughout the day, you can go ahead and go for one of the paid options. But for my purposes, I just use the free account, and so I like to go ahead and show those options so that all of us beginners can see that there are options out there that are not super expensive. AI is something that many would argue is here to stay. Because AI platforms are so powerful, this video series is designed to show how we can use AI to help us with increasing speed and efficiency when posting on YouTube. Whether it's using AI to create YouTube video thumbnails, video titles, or video descriptions, the information in this video is the first step towards using the power of AI to speed up your workflow. Stay tuned for the next part of this series to see how we can input the text files from TurboScribe into other AI platforms like Claude and ChatGPT, and we'll see you in our next video.